we can use music to help balance the hemispheres of our brain. If we're doing a lot of right brain activity, for example, if we are an artist or doing creative work, we can listen to music with words, maybe worship music or something like that. And that word, the lyrics and the music will help stimulate our left brain, creating more balance in our hemispheres. If we're somebody that's spending all day long, like an accountant, crunching numbers, that's a left brain activity. We can use classical music to help create balance so we don't have one side of our brain more dominant than the other, because that can be problematic. So we can balance our brain with the classical music to help create more calmness, more peace, and more overall brain functionality. So you can use music to help impact your life. At the same time, if I'm somebody that's maybe more left brain, maybe more analytical, and I want to do something more creative, I can go ahead and I can throw on some classical music to help stimulate that right brain. Or if I'm somebody that's typically more creative and I want to do something more analytical, like crunching numbers or looking at my budget, then I can go ahead and throw on some music with lyrics to help stimulate that left brain.